वालेकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, प्यारे हजूर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
My name is Ubaid Nuruddin Sheikh Juman, and my question is, if the government of our country is corrupted and corruption and fraud arises, should we still support that kind of government?
If your government is corrupt, and then you will have to find out who are the politicians who are not corrupt. Huh? Huh? If you see any politician who is less corrupt, then support that person. Then that means you are trying to find a lesser evil. Huh? All the politicians are normally in the third world are corrupt. And if you feel they are not discharging their duties properly, then you should try to find out some good people, use your right of vote, and bring those people in the government who are not corrupt, those who are honest and sincere to the country. So, in this way you can do it, otherwise nobody knows whom. If you know personally somebody who is very pious and sincere and honest to the country, then use your vote for him or for her. But it is very difficult to find out from among politicians any person who is very true and sincere to the country. Right? Only the solution is that you yourself should stand in an election and try to change the total political atmosphere of the country. Right? Okay. Assalamu alaikum.